Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So on my live video the other day, I did a triptych with the Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint, and I loved how it came out because this particular paint makes just amazing lines. So I wanted to do one on a regular video, and this is, like I said, ready mixed paint. So you don't need to do anything to it. You just pour it right in your cup. You can get it at Michael's. And I'm going to use all my colors, which I have 6 colors. And the cool thing about this is you can put colors next to each other that you normally wouldn't, and they won't mix as much as they do with your regular paint. I'm going to add purple. And I'm filling up this cup. This triptych is 12 by 12. I'm going to not use a lot of white. I did use kind of a lot more black. Mainly because I'm actually almost out of the white. And I don't know that I'll necessarily be buying more of this paint. So, alright, there we go. I'm going to get everything out of the way. Alright, and there's many ways you can do triptychs. I generally like to pour ribbons. So it should kind of go the way I poured in the cup, a bit cool to warmer colors. And then, the best you can, hold all 3 together. I just love how this stuff creates lines. For me, this stuff is not good if you want to create cells, but to do stuff like tree rings and stuff, this particular paint is perfect. Awesome. Okay, so we've got the 3 pieces painted together, and now I'm going to separate them and tilt them a little bit individually. And that will help get the sides covered as well. Beautiful. All right, just a little bit on this one, and then we'll do our close-up. I am going to be cleaning up the sides a little bit more after the video. But for now, we can do our close-up. All right, so starting in the lower right-hand corner here, you can see the lines stay well-defined. You still get the mixture of colors a bit, like look at that color in there. It's kind of a teal kind of color. Just not as much. And the cool thing about this is once it's dry, it stays just like it is right now, unless you have an unlevel surface, of course. And this paint does dry very glossy. So how it looks right now will pretty much be how it looks when it's all dry. I love it. So let me know if you guys have tried this paint and let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I love it for doing things like this, like whether it's ribbons or tree rings. I don't like it for flip cups or most of the other techniques. It is not good with cell production, particularly. You can definitely add silicone, of course, but yeah, I love this. I think it looks amazing, and yeah, I'll be doing probably a few more of these. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.